Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to make Excel cells square. Excel is a spreadsheet application in which the page is laid out as rows and columns. The intersection of the rows and columns are called a cell, and so the layout consists of a number of cells. Each column and row has a default height and width, and we can easily adjust these while working in Excel. Now you may want to, since the column width is greater than the row height, the cells appear rectangular instead of square. So you may want to change the cells into a square. For example, if you want to simulate a piece of graph paper, or if you're creating some kind of a pattern for maybe needlework or for some other kind of art project, you may want the cells to be displayed as squares instead of rectangles. Now the problem here is that the scale by which the column width is measured is not the same as the row height. So the first thing I need to do is to find a common scale so that I could define the same dimensions for both. So to do that, we go to the view menu and click the page layout view. Now when this is done, you can see that a ruler is enabled at the top. If this is not visible, you can make sure go to the show menu and click on the ruler to make this shown. So this in this case is showing as centimeters. Now what I can do is if I select a column and right click and look at the column width, it is showing in centimeters. So let's define the column width first. I select the entire sheet, right click, go to column width. I'm going to make 1 centimeter squares and say OK. Now similarly, I take the cursor to the row header, right click, say row height, and enter the same value here, 1 centimeter, and say OK. And now you can see that the appearance has come as squares. I can now go back to the normal view and start creating whatever design or graph that I want to do. So this is how to make Excel cells square. Please read the appended article for further guidance.